Two-way switch wiring. Only one switch connected to lamps. Both switches connected to lamps, same lamp only to one switch. Two-way switch synchronization. Keep touching the button off switch for 5 seconds. Take away finger till the backlight flashing. Touch and hold on the button to dim up. Finish synchronizing. Both two switches can control the same light now. Switch has two-way function only after synchronizing with the other two-way switch. If not synchronized, only work as one-way. Synchronize only L1 to L1, L2 to L2, L3 to L3, cannot L1 to L2, L2 to L3 or L1 to L3.